In the advanced materials industry, the process to obtain qualified materials includes shipment qualification, transport condition monitoring, material planning, and incoming quality checks. Let us explain to you the capabilities of supplier quality management, which is an important part of your company's quality strategy to a successful business. LineWorks SQM will optimize the efficiency, traceability, and quantitative analysis capability of your supplier's manufacturing processes. You can analyze the quality of your incoming materials across the entire supply chain, ensuring improved incoming quality control, thus boosting the quality of goods from your suppliers. All incoming data on your materials from your suppliers will be checked, analyzed, and approved automatically based on your required specifications. Over time, you will see an increase in the quality standard for your entire supply chain, saving you time and money. Higher quality standards for your supplied quality goods will prevent the delivery of defective materials to your doorstep. LineWorks Space works hand in hand with LineWorks SQM, providing manufacturers with trend comparison charts of suppliers from different sites. This offers advanced statistical control for all incoming materials. There is more to share. Reach out for the full video. Visit camline.com. Work smarter. Achieve more.